Yo, let's take this off. Haven't seen y'all in a minute. With the boo boo right now. Got the Orlando tee on. We're gonna stop and eat some breakfast. Then we're gonna head to the Thrift. Got a nice little day today. Light little Sunday, chill vibes. We're thinking about eating at this restaurant right here. Hold up. Come on, clear up. You see it? It's called Stacks. Hold up, how do I zoom in? I'm tripping, dude. Yeah, I'm tripping, obviously. Just turn this. Oh my gosh. But yeah, right there, Stacks. Hawaiian Island Bakery Kitchen. Honestly, sounds kind of fire, so we're thinking about it. We shall see. But yeah, after we eat, we're gonna head to the Thrift, see if we can find some fire. And I gotta zoom out because it's a little too close. And yeah, good to be back. Let's go. Alright guys, so we decided that we are gonna eat here. This is honestly, since like COVID started, this is probably like the maybe third time that we've eaten somewhere like outdoors. Definitely have not eaten indoors yet, but we're gonna try this out. Hopefully it's fire. Yo guys, so honestly this feels hella weird, like taking off my mask around like people. But it's okay because we're vaccinated now, so we should be chilling. I'm getting my second shot on this Tuesday, so 2 more days till I get my second shot. Then your boy will be invincible. I'm just kidding. Aww. But yeah, feels good to be out, right, boo?
Yeah.
That's it? That's all you have to say? Are you excited to eat?
Just taking it on.
Yeah, probably not gonna do this for a while, but yeah. Let's see what this food looking like. Yo. So I don't eat bacon, so we got the bacon on the side. But that was supposed to be on here. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be chopped or whatever. But God. So this is the spicy chicken and bacon waffle. Okay, that thing is actually a lot bigger than I expected. Oh my god. And then I got the French toast, so I got like the sweet stuff, so we'll see what mine's looking like. That was hella fast. It came in like less than 5 minutes.
I probably had it already.
Alright, she's going in.
Can I get the regular French toast?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Enjoy it, guys.
Hope it looks like me.
Guess what today is? More mail. Mail day. Slice it open. Okay, we're gonna do this one-handed. I don't wanna ruin what's in here. Yeah, that might actually work. Hey, on that. Okay, got it open. All right, hold up. All right, there's the first one. Second one. No, that didn't work. Hold up. All right, here's the second one. Got it out. This should be a little easier to open in one hand. A little plastic. Another one. Y'all saw the bread colorway that I copped. This one. The Royal Ones colorway. Oh my god, these are so crispy. What size are these again? Medium. Perfect. Look at that. Short season is coming, baby. Big Nike hit in the back. Yes, sir. And then this one I got for a super steal online. Honestly forgot that this one had a back hit, so that is crazy. Look how crispy this is. Look at that. Let me turn that around for you guys. This is the like Ninja Kobe looking one. You see it, 2009 World Champions. And then here's the front. says under his wing. Got Kobe right there. 2009. Derek Fisher, Lamar Odom, Kobe, Andrew Bynum, and Pau Gasol. I think this one's a 2S. This tag 2X, but this can fit an XL. It's pretty clean. Let's go. Yow! Alright guys, you heard the boo-boo. She just said casserole. We're gonna eat right now, and then we're gonna head out to the thrift. So let's grub. We just had to run some errands earlier. I did not bring my camera, but yeah. About to grub. The boo-boo made some casserole last night. So we're gonna eat, then we're gonna head to the thrift, so let's go! Yeah boy, is stuffed. Fire. Let's go thrift. Got this Acme Studios Crewneck, Assault Post 1993, 97, Green Bay Packers. This one's cool right here, I'm gonna take this one. Size medium 2010, back-to-back champions. And this vintage Elvis tee on the Gilpin heavyweight. Ooh, bless ya. Size XL. Yo, for the second time, look how beautiful this is. Sports Specialties Lakers. Super crispy condition, all snaps there. Oh my god. And then this right here, little 1998 Apparel Taco Bell. Size XL with the licensing. Fire. Base size Laker banger 2009. Size small. We got Kobe right there in the back. It's pretty wild. And this one right here on the Onita tag. Size large, single stitch all the way around. It's cool. This is actually pretty cool. I can add this to the RT collection, but it's a 1995, if you guys know, I don't know. Ayrton Senna Formula 1 racing tee. See right there, 1995. Scoop that one, and then this one right here. No, it has a tag, but it just says Made in USA, size small. Beautiful lady, little Betty Boop zip up. But this is cool. I'll pick this one up. Fits like a medium. Alright guys, this is gonna be a little table book for the crib. I'll show you guys this when I get back, but look at this. It's pretty crazy. Rare Air. Got MJ right there, Fuji film. Found this right here. Uniform Studios. Snapback, if you know, you know. The 2007 Simpsons tee. Harley Davidson taxed on 25, but I'll pick this one up just because it's got the long sleeve with the skulls, flames, and it's actually Hollywood in the back. Single stitch, size large, made in USA. Single all around. 93 Mighty Ducks. This one's crazy. And then this right here. I just found, it's missing the strings, but it's the Cactus Jack Jordan hoodie, the Nike one. That's pretty crazy. Size small. Finally, your boy came across, I think this is my first Rodman. We'll have to see when I get back home. So it's got the tag, a little bit of cracking, but it's cool. Size 48. See Rodman in the back. And I got some 90s Levi's. I'm gonna start Depop, so I'll put my link down at the bottom and y'all can check it out. But I'm gonna start listing stuff like this on my Depop. So if y'all interested, just go follow it and you'll see what's up. Just came up on another pair of vintage Levi's. These are 501s. The other two I found were 505s. 33 by 34, made in USA. Wash is crazy. Someone actually already hemmed these, but still clean. And then white tag, essential Nike, black on black, and this Pro Player size large, Mighty Ducks. Embroidered hit on the sleeve, and I think it's a packable jacket because when you open this, it's actually a pouch that you could turn inside out. And then this right here, some Vapor Maxes, size 5.5 wide, so like a 7 in women's, and then some Crocs in the boo boo size. So I might pick these up for her. Just gotta wipe them down. A little taxed on, but it's a vintage made in USA LL Bean. It's got that Carhartt vibe to it. Super clean. It's got the little fishes on the inside. It's in really good condition, so I'm probably gonna pick this one up. And then this one, Coogee-esque sweater. I thought it was Coogee. $15 Tundra, but I gotta pick this up. This is crazy. It honestly looks just like one. And then some essentials. Might stay in the personal size XL. Slight Nike hit right there. A little baggier look instead of some skinny ones. So might go to the personal. Got this Madonna size large from the Tennessee River. My bad. Tennessee River. 06. Fade is crazy on that. And then this one right here is pretty hard. Size large, color blocking, Polo Ralph Lauren vest. Super good condition. Scooping both of these. Got some Nike Dunks right here. 6.0s. With the Dr. Scholl's on the inside. Not too much, 20 bucks. And then this one right here. Little 1994 black denim Harley Davidson denim jacket. Scooping this for sure. And then this one right here, the Who tour shirt, 2002. Asking for 15 though. It's a little tax down, but we'll see. Me and the homies just came up. Light little Bulls haul. Look at that. Number 45. This Rodman is crazy. I have never seen this one. It's got his tattoo going on the Rodman with the blondie. Crazy. Cyber Monday 3s. Hella big though, size 13. It's got yellowing right there on the toe. Or not the toe, but like this part. Another vintage polo. Essential, $12 in the navy. Got a little green hit horse. These are super cozy. They're like super soft. Probably gonna sweep this. Same Kobe's that I found last time, but these are size 12.5 instead of an 11. So I'm gonna pick these up. $20 instead of 50 like last time. And these right here, I've actually been looking for a pair, so this is solid. Size XL, essential gray, like sweat shorts. These are fire. And it's only $2. Skull. Alright y'all, for some reason I can't import this into iMovie right now, so I'm just gonna show y'all. I forgot my camera at home, and this is the clip of me in the thrift store when I found these. Hold up. I forgot my camera at home, but obviously you see it. So just put these laces on here, but these are good. Some BRED 4'S. 50 bucks. Size 11.5. These are not cleaned up. These are solid. For sure. Okay, 44. So here they are right here. So I'll show you guys in case y'all don't believe me. I was so sad that I forgot my camera that day because I was like, I would forget my camera when I find something like this. But yeah, right here. The price tag's in there. $50. Taxing, but obviously I cannot pass on these. They just need a little cleanup. Size 11.5. Still in super good condition, so crazy find. Yo, I know it's been a minute, so I want to show y'all everything that I've scooped recently. These are more gonna be like the eBay snipes, OfferUp snipes, Poshmark, and when I tell y'all I got these for steals, like big steals. You guys know how much this goes for. I sniped this one for like 80. That one, oh my god, that one is crazy. The Bibby joint, and then these two dead stock pretty much Laker tees. Triple Crown, first at last. This one still got the sticker right there on the Gildan, size XL. Crazy little haul. If y'all interested in any of these, just DM me on Instagram. It's cool. Yo, just got back home to the crib. Feels good to be back. It's a little hot right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Another trip to the thrift, and you already know the slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. And the fashion, what is good? Peace.